Hello and welcome to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. In this session, we will be talking about AWS Solution Architect Professional Practice question number 7. We will discuss questions, its answer, its explanation in detail, and we'll go over this. So let me go to the question number 7 from the uh, practice paper. These questions are provided by hadoopexam.com as a practice. So QuickTechie.com has multiple branch offices and existing internet connection. You also have multiple VPN connection with AWS, but wish to establish a secure connection between sites. Select correct statement. Okay, so now let's first understand questions what it is asking basically. Correct. So what question is asking? You have a multiple basically uh, branch offices. Correct. One is let's say New York, another is Los Angeles, correct? Is your and third one is you can say Miami. Okay, so this is what it's and your AWS site VPC you could have basically on this. Okay, what question is asking? You also have multiple VPN connection with AWS. Already multiple VPN connection you have created, correct? With VPC, and you have an internet connection so that you can communicate between the branch offices. But wish to establish a secure connection between sites. Now, not directly using just internet. You wanted to establish some secure connection, correct? So that how you can use services provided by Amazon. So which of the option is correct? So now for that, let's move to the explanation for question number 7. If you have multiple AWS site to site VPN connection, then you can provide secure connection between sites using AWS VPN Cloud Hub. This is a new concept, AWS VPN Cloud Hub. You now by name it suggests it's a hub. It's a basically which can connect multiple things. Okay, so this enables your remote sites to communicate with each other, not just with the VPC. If you are using basically a cloud hub here, correct? Let's say I would just write it here with cloud hub, VPN cloud hub. Okay. So then your site via this can communicate with each other with secure connection. Correct? This would be your secure connection. You can establish even if you don't need VPC for that. Okay, if you are not using any Amazon VPC and you just want connection among this data center or branch offices, then you can use just VPN Cloud Hub to make this kind of connection. This enable your remote sites to communicate with each other and not just with the VPC. The VPN Cloud Hub operates on a simple hub and spoke model that you can use with or without VPC. As I mentioned, you don't not necessarily you have to use VPC. The design is suitable if you have multiple branch offices and existing internet connection and would like to implement a convenient, potentially low-cost hub and spoke model for primary or backup connectivity of this remote offices. So that it can help you for this. So to implement this, we need to create a virtual private gateway. That is still needed, but this is only single one virtual private gateway is needed here. But create a multiple customer gateway, each with public IP addresses of the gateway. So you need to have a customer gateway on this side. You need to have a customer gateway on this side and customer gateway here as well on all these three with the public IP addresses. You must use a unique border gateway protocol autonomous system number for each customer gateway. So border gateway protocol BGP has to be used on all three basically. Correct? Create a dynamically routed site to site VPN connection for each customer gateway to common virtual private gateway. So that is what we need to create here using this all these three. Okay. Configure the customer gateway device to advertise site specific prefixes such as this example 1/24/24/24 cider to virtual private gateway. This routing advertisement are received and re-advertised to the each BGP peer, enabling each site to send data to receive data from other side. Basically, so they would each other can communicate with each other just using border gateway protocol. Configure the routes in your subnet route tables to enable instances in your VPC to communicate with each with your site. If you are using VPC as well here, so then you have to configure your subnet to use basically you need to update route tables to enable instances in your VPC to communicate with your site. So that is what the way if you want to communicate with even with your VPC, you can use it. So there's another thing like big organization would also have for one of the offices, one of the major or head office, they would have a like basically AWS direct connectivity as well. Like in this example, let's say they have a direct connect with the New York data center, correct? That is your direct connect already implemented. Then how to use with the cloud hub basically, correct? So site this uses the AWS direct connect connection to the virtual private gateway can also be part of AWS VPN cloud hub. So they can be part of cloud hub as well. For example, your corporate headquarters in New York can have the AWS direct connection to the VPC, and your branch offices can use site to site VPN connection to the VPC. The branch office in Los Angeles, which we discuss here, and Miami can send and receive data with each other and with your corporate headquarters, all using the VPC cloud hub, but any communication like between these three communication can happen via this VPN cloud. But with direct with VPC, if you want to have connection, then they can use the direct connect here to like anything they like New York want directly to AWS data center to connect it, they can use it. Okay. So to answer this question, QuickTechie.com has multiple branches. Okay, sorry, no, I'll go to option directly. You can provide secure communication between sites using AWS VPN Cloud. That is true, we can provide. So one is surely correct answer. To use AWS VPN Cloud Hub, you must create a virtual private gateway with multiple customer gateways. Obviously, we need to do one private gateway at work Cloud Hub site, correct? And customer gateway should be required for each site as we have seen here on this and one VPC. The second option is also correct. So based on option, obviously one or two can correct or one or three can correct or any one of them correct. So based on this, one and two is correct. But let's go to third option. To use the AWS VPN Cloud Hub, you must create a virtual private gateway with single customer gateway. No, it won't work with single customer gateway. For each site, you need to have a one customer gateway created. Okay, so that the correct answer is one and two. So this is the explanation. You can read again. So that is about question number 7. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And I hope you are liking this video and they would be helping you to prepare for your AWS Solution Architect Professional Certification. This is purely practice questions and help you to learn more concepts and so that you can easily answer those questions in your real exam. Don't memorize question and answer. This is nowhere going to help. Yeah, basically, you need to understand that is what our intent. Just passing the exam is not the only thing. We want you to learn AWS, and when you real work in real time, this concept will help you to move further. Thank you and wish you all the best. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. Thank you.